Here's how you can easily rent a Pike ride. Now, this is a bike that's electric that you can actually rent for a little bit of money for a set period of time. But the first thing you need to do is you need to get the Pike Ride electric bike share app. And when you open it, you can see there's this map of all the areas that the bikes are actually available in. And once you actually are on this app, you can click on the scan option right here. And then you can click on the scan option, which you can scan the QR code just on the bike right here on the very top of it in between the handlebars. And it'll bring you to this page like so, where you can actually get memberships out for cheaper prices. Or you can actually just scan the bike like you normally would. It costs $1 to start and about 25 cents per minute after that. And you click on continue to unlock right here, where you'll actually be able to see your trip will actually start. You can see it is counting right here. It takes a very long time to load. Sometimes it took 1.5 minutes for it to load my ride, but you can see we can basically add your card information. Now, all you're gonna need to do to ride one of these bikes is you can just put up and down the kickstand using your foot. You can push it forward like so, and you can see it'll go up like that or put it up like so. And you can use this as the brake, this bar that you've just pulled with your hand, and adjust the seat using this lever down here. I know it's upside down. And then if you just pedal, it'll actually go automatically. And that's all you need to do to ride one of these bikes. You can see right here, it's pretty dang easy. Once you get started, it goes pretty quick. And when you're done riding, you click on end trip and that will end the ride. It's important when you end your ride, you actually put this lock around the bar and then just push down on this to unlock or pull up on it to lock it. Because if you don't put it on like a firm beam to lock it to, they'll actually suspend your account. So you really better be doing this and not leaving it in the middle of nowhere, just like over there. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing.